Okay, but honey, don't touch the table. There's just bubbles everywhere.
Ooh, what's going on?
I don't know. It's red. Red. It's red. It's getting like a water. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's getting like a water.
It is.
And there's black dots.
Yeah, there are black dots, aren't there? What do you think those black dots are?
Red.
Okay, you guys don't touch. No, don't touch the table. Sammy, off the table.
Thank you. What do you think those black dots are?
I don't know. I think they're black.
Do they look black or could they be another color?
I think it looks black. Blue, dark blue.
Do they look blue to you?
Yeah.
Hey, David.
They look
Why don't you
like
come
blue,
over here and
but
look,
still
okay?
there.
Thanks. Just don't touch the table. There we go. Careful.
It's dangerous.
It's not dangerous.
You can't touch it because
Look.
it's dangerous. What's doing?
Yeah.
Don't touch.
What is it doing?
Ooh, look at what happened to one of those black dots. Look at what happened. Ooh, I wonder. I don't
It got
think that's
away.
black. It got away. I don't think those are black dots. Look, there goes another one. What color is it when it goes away or when it kind of explodes almost?
Honey,
What color is
back
it?
up a little bit. You're pushing these little kids. Sammy,
Think it looks
back
black?
up a little bit. Back up.
Uh-oh. It's going to get another one.
Smell.
Uh-oh. It's going to get another one.
Still reacting.
Yeah.
See what I mean? It's if the dots are there.
Mm-hmm.
Don't judge.
Yes. David, off the table.
It's pretty cool.
What's that noise?
Is it still moving, you guys?
Are the bubbles still moving?